Class Nursery, Subject Maths. Hello students, this is the maths copy for nursery class and I have opened page number 35, and on this page the question is how many? How many? So children, on this page you can see that different pictures are given. So I have to count the things and then I have to write the correct number after counting the things. So first of all, parents need to put a dot under the things. Like I am going to put. And in the same way, I will put the dots under the rest of the things. Children, now are you ready to count the things with me? So let's start. Here the trees are made. So count these trees with me. 1, 2. So I will count again. 1, 2. So I have to write number 2 here. So children, now look at my hand carefully. Start from the dot. First make a round. Come like this, and when you will touch this gray line, so turn to the right side. So I have written 2 after counting these 2 trees. And here are the ice creams. So count these ice creams with me. 1, 2, 3. So I will start from the dot, and first I will make a half circle, and then I will join another half circle with it like this. So I have written number 3 for 3 ice creams. Here are the balls. So I will count these balls. Children, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will start writing from the dot. First I will make a half one. Then I will join a half circle with it like this. And then I will put a line here on the top. And in the same way, I will count the rest of the things and I will write the number. So I have counted the things and I have written the number. Now I will color these pictures. So children, I have completed my coloring. Children, you need to count the things very carefully and write the numbers neatly. This is the maths workbook for nursery class, and I have opened page number 10. And on this page the heading is encircle the smaller ones. Encircle the smaller ones. Now children, as you can see that different pictures are given. So children, first of all, look at these ladders. When you will look at them carefully, you will come to know that this one is big and this one is small. So I have to circle the smaller one. So I have a pencil in my hand and I will encircle the smaller ladder like this. And here 2 trees are given. This is big and this is small. Big, small. So I have to encircle the smaller one. So I will encircle like this. And children, in the same way, for the rest of the things, I will encircle the smaller ones. So children, according to the question, I have encircled the smaller things. Children, I hope that you will look at the things carefully and you will encircle the smaller things very neatly. God bless you. Thank you.